I trace the water running past the old stone mill, the evening shadows settling down upon the hill. Every ripple carries pictures from the start, washing right over the gravel in my heart. You turn around and point to where the currents meet. The summer mud is sticking to our naked feet. You look at me in quarter line from years ago, and suddenly the freezing waters start to glow. Oh, the river of my memory, yeah, is rushing to the sea. It's carrying the pieces of who we used to be. River of memory, flowing deep and wide. River of memory, running with the tide. Yeah, you keep me from drowning.